So guys, how to using for YouTube community tab? People asking one question. So what is the purpose of YouTube community tab? YouTube community tab will be two version. One is classic version, second will be beta version. First I'll show will be latest version in the YouTube community tab. This will be here. In the community tab, we don't open this option. There we can post for the particular videos. How to we can post it? Select this will be uploading option. Create a post. Create a post option. Same they go to a community tab. So I'm click the video option here. Now click for create a post. Where it is go for community tab. In the community tab will be promoting for videos, polls and images. The post will be suitable by the any option will be here in this particular community tab here. First I'm selecting video. So in this option will be here. Everything will be selected in this particular community tab option. Here video will be there, polls are there, images are there. In this adding for community tab. So I'm selecting video here. By search, by URL, by YouTube video. In this any video we can promote. Your channel video we can promote or other channel video will be also promote here. In the promote time, in a previous and new future will be here. The previous, the community tab will be now supporting for hashtags. Nowadays, the people supporting in the community tab will be hashtag also. Then will be trending your keyword purpose. Now, just here I'm updating for your tag here. What are the video specification? Add here. Next here, particular tag will be here. Here ma'am, give this. Ask your question. Will be here. Any question? So in this, we can do the option will be there. Two things. Post and schedule will be there. Schedule will be same as it is will be here. Particular date and same. I'm not in charge. You can go to option will be post. This is the main thing reason to engage the audience to the particular community tab option. So finally here, this will be here. And will be promoting option images, create images. So what is the option will be there? So here, I'm selecting for any images. Select by here. Add your content here. Check with the post option. And this image not visible by properly. How to visible by users? I show you for the other channel peoples. The show will be like this. What are the posts you done by here? The show will be like this option. So this all will be particular. Community tab will be latest post. People like or dislikes, anything will be here. And one more option. If you go to classic version on the channel, customize channel, the community tab will be not scheduled by your post. Some people asking question. So my channel will be not showing for scheduled post on my community tab. That means by your channel will be classic version. We can't post your this option. Only for new version of the YouTube channel, we can schedule the post for the community tab option. We can create polls, everything. Visibility for more public will be here. We have option will be there. Posting this option will be here. Schedule post also will be same. How is the uploading video option will be scheduled? Same will be using for YouTube. Community tab will be schedule the post. So these are the parameters we can use. Updating the content to engage the audience using for community tab option.